If you have a case where your white cubie is here, it's simple. Move it from here right up to the top. If you have a case where your white cubie is in the top layer, but it's in the wrong position, it will take 2 moves. 1, 2. Let's go through an example of a white cross solve. First, let's locate our white edge pieces. Here's our white-red cubie, and we want to move it here. We can do it like this. Now the cubie is solved. Next, let's look for the white-green piece. Here it is. And this cubie is going to need to go right there. There we go. Next, the white-orange piece is going to need to go right here. Here it is. Finally, our white-blue cubie, and here it is. Now we have our white cross. Let's orient it so that our edge pieces match our centers. Reds, greens, oranges, blues. The white cross is solved correctly. When solving your white cross, you can come across a couple of cases. It will either take 1 move or more than 1 move to solve your white cubie. Here's an example of a piece taking 1 move to solve. Here is an instance where it will take more than 1 move. Now that piece is solved correctly.